Video 209, BinFont Glyph Stamp Part 1, let's get into it. So, we have the BinFont data section right here, and we have this big-ass array of ASCII glyphs. And now beneath it, we have this BinFont arglist object, which is used for a function of the same name. We have the bitmap, RGBA, that we're going to stamp to, and then we have the width and height in pixels. We have the inclusive range of where we're going to stamp that glyph, the left, right, top, bottom, and we have the color of the glyph, the background and foreground of the text, and the background and foreground of the border. We also have the ASCII code we're going to use to look up the glyph. Here is the BinFont stamone function that takes a stamone object, or you could say a stamp1 object. If this input is not this singleton instance, then we're going to throw an error. This object does not exist so that we can instantiate it and do some OOP bullshit. It exists only to shorten this parameter list and allow us to name this function after the object it takes, like is our convention in this code. We'll do the rest of the code in another video. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. You've been on this playlist. More info on this longer list. Source code here. Email me here. This has been Video 209. Like and subscribe and send me coffee.